Welcome back to Alfa Mods. So today we're going to be doing this super badass carbon fiber hood, but first we have to get the old one off. And as you guys can see, I'm not really at my house, but it feels good to be back where I did all my work before. And I've kind of gotten a little bit started because I've been by myself today. But long story short, to get this bracket off, what you need to do is remove it from this point up here. All you do is get a screwdriver, pop, and then from this point right here, you just get a screwdriver and pop it. And then this grommet right here, all we're gonna do is get a screwdriver in here and pop this grommet out. Then you have these little covers on the nozzles. As you guys can see, I want to show you guys the orientation of the nozzles so you can see where they're gonna go in. On the new hood, there'll be a place for those. And I went ahead and popped out the other side. So, I mean, I am literally, I want to say maybe 5 minutes into this, removing stuff. It is really not that hard. And the plan here is we're going to be going down to Dallas to meet up with Modded Motors. They have their baby shower tomorrow, so that's super exciting. I'm really happy for them. And we're going to go ahead and do the hood swap over there. So all we need left now is we're going to pull all of this through. I'm going to disconnect the hoses, and then we have two 13s over here, two 13s over there, and then the hood latches that need to be transferred, which is really simple to do. Now, what I want to note about the Giulia is that it has two hood latches. Most cars have one right here in the middle, and on my previous car, the Camaro, the carbon fiber hood, it just didn't feel that secure because I literally only had one latch. So this should be a lot better. I'm excited about getting everything put together, and I really think this is going to come out to be a wonderful install. We'll just take a look at it like that. I'm definitely going to miss the painted for a little bit, but I might end up painting the carbon fiber hood. We'll see where we're at. But other than that, it'll be nice to have a different look than stock. So it is worth noting here that you basically have to get a little screwdriver in between this little top portion to disconnect this hose, and the rest of it you basically just wiggle it out. I already have this side out, and then we're going to pull that entire thing through, so it should not be too complicated. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's really as simple as just pulling this out. I'm gonna have to find a nice little place to mount this. I don't want it flying around. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is reconnect these, which honestly should be a pretty straightforward process. So you've got this connector, basically goes in just like that. Really nothing to it. And then after that, the wife and I will get those bolts out later. If not, my grandpa. I'm not sure who's gonna be the helper yet, but I definitely need a helper. I don't want to do this by myself. So basically, the original plan was to drive down to Modded Motors and to take my stock hood off and leave it at my house, and then pick up the new carbon hood and drive that home so I wouldn't have to make two trips. But because I didn't really like how the coolant lines are so frail, I didn't want to do that, so the plans had to change. Alright, so we're over here at the halfway point. I'm here with my wife, Gabby.
Hello.
You enjoying the road trip so far?
Yeah, no, it's been fun. I love stopping at Buc-ee's, so here we are.
Here we are at Buc-ee's. And we're basically exhausted because our son kept us up all night. But
oh yeah,
long story short, we're on the way down to Modded Motors, go hang out with him. Also, to get this hood. As you guys can see, the hood is still here after I just removed it last night. So I just didn't feel comfortable with driving like really fast highway speeds with this. So what we're gonna do is just swap out the hood, and then I'll go pick it up at a later point in time. But either way, we're getting back on the road again, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, so as you guys can see there, me and Ricky are banging this out real quick. We're both using 13mm sockets, and there's basically four bolts or four nuts in total that you need to get off, and then there is also 8 in total for the hood latches, and it's as simple as just removing it and then you pop it off. Honestly, it's pretty self-explanatory at this point.
I want to see what it looks like. Oh, I like the vents too.
Oh, go to your side. Can you get to it?
Yeah, can you hold this, Gabby?
Yeah.
Gabby, can you hold this side for me?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Damn it.
What happened?
Nothing. I don't think anything happened. No, we're good. I'm just like super clumsy already, so I'm just like,
It's okay.
don't trust me with any of this.
Side, I'm like, I'm gonna mess something up.
Nobody's gonna understand why I'm doing this.
Yeah.
You want Gabby to do that side?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Actually, just.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, just hold the side one in a second.
Okay,
I can
sure.
Just don't lean it back. Yeah, hold this up, sir.
Ricky's doing the most to help me out here with my fiberglass pier.
Yeah, I'd just rather you not
Yeah.
touch it. Alrighty, and then you're gonna lift it up, and you're gonna try to take it off that wood, or actually just lift it up high.
And drop this wood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grab.
Let me help you.
Yeah, help me.
Hold it.
Okay. Why am I still holding this?
Let me get the thing.
Here, I can get this. Just throw them a little bit.
I was like trying to help Eric with this yesterday, and I was like putting it on backwards. The little, what is that called?
Which
The
part?
thing that you're screwing on. What is it called? I forgot.
The nuts?
Yeah, the nuts.
Oh, I thought you were
I
talking
was-
about something more complicated.
No.
I was like, the regular old
I was like, I
pocket lit.
was like screwing it on
pocket lid right
backwards,
there.
so I was like, I'm probably really not qualified for this.
That's okay.
No, you're definitely qualified for this.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, because I'm gonna have to pull the hood right now.
Oh, good. Oh my god.
Wow, that does look super good.
Do you like the fit, man? Worked out.
Yeah,
You know?
I think it's good. I like this
Oh,
shifter
yeah.
more than I thought I might have to do.
Oh yeah,
What do you think, Gabby?
I really like it.
Yeah.
It goes with
Goes with
goes with
everything.
everything. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna pull on it, and then you're gonna tighten it, okay?
Okay.
Tighten the top one first. No, not too much yet.
Fiberglass.
Mm-hmm.
Not aluminum.
Yeah, no aluminum. Look good?
I really like it. I think that's awesome.
That looks great.
Mhm.
So it's not.
Got your corners though. Corners look good. Now that I know how to do it.
Yeah, dude. You got it down, dude.
Yeah, corners came out pretty good.
And just throw on the brackets.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Dude,
Oh
put
yeah.
them
It
on
looks
blue.
really good.
Super fucking happy about that.
Yep.
I'm trying to think if I remember what I said.
The OEM QV weight is 11.2, so that's basically the one that you get on the QV, and the OEM aluminum is 17.6, which honestly they're all pretty lightweight, but this aftermarket is 16.4 with the rain cover on, and without it you're basically saving around 3 pounds, so this thing is pretty good. Okay, as you guys can see, we're out here, it's raining right now. Got Ricky's and got this really beautiful carbon fiber hood. Honestly, it did amazing in the rain. they did a really good job of creating a routing system to where, you know, the water comes forward and it doesn't end up in your engine bay or anything like that. Unfortunately for me, I've got this little breathing issue going on, and it kind of involves I can't be around fiberglass. So this hood is carbon fiber on the outside, but it is carbon fiber, fiberglass on the inside, and it bothers me a lot. But this is, again, more of a personal thing. So Ricky was kind enough to let me swap it out with the OEM QV hood, and we're going to be installing that here in a second. But again, if it wasn't for my own personal thing, this hood would be amazing, and I would have kept it 100%. But at least I have an option thanks to Ricky. So we're going to go ahead and get this off, and I'll be showing you guys in a little bit.